Here's our nice lab using AWS to collect XDOT data. So here's 5 things we did in this lab. First, connect and configure the multi-tag conduct. Second, set up no-write flow and AT firmware of XDOT. And third thing is configure LoRa on XDOT. The fourth thing is send XDOT sensors data to no-write through LoRa. And the final thing is send XDOT sensors data to AWS IoT and ThingsBoard. So the first thing, connect and configure the multi-tag conduct. Here's what we did. First, connect the antenna to the conduct and power to the conduct. Second, use Ethernet cable connect PC and conduct. Log into the GUI. Change LoRa WAN networking setting, and then change LoRa WAN key management setting. And finally, restart the LoRa WAN. The second part, set up no-write flow and AT firmware of XDOT. First, we import the .AT firmware to the IDE, and then import lab.embed file to the same path as the firmware, and then compile and load program to XDOT. And the left picture shows the no-write flow we created. And then set up and then open a serial connection to the USB with a baud of 115200. Reset XDOT. Press the reset button and then tap AT here, and we can see it reply OK. And then we did the following command here, and we can see the hello world here. So here's the serial port number, and we set the baud with this speed. And then next part is using ATO configure LoRa on XDOT. What we did is first using ATO example skeleton to configure LoRa, and revise the OTA example.cpp file. Make sure OTA example is my active example. So we can see here. Here we change the network name and the network passphrase, and the frequency set band, join delay, and we add this part code to the .cpp file. And the right part is a no-write flow we created. Here's the result. We can see the EE542 on the right side. Next part is send XDOT sensors data to no-write through LoRa. So in this part, we integrate the thermistor data to the OTA example to send sensor data through LoRa. We can see that here's the thermistor function we used in last lab. And here's here's how we send data to the write. And next part is send XDOT sensors data to AWS IoT and ThingsBoard. So first, we have to create IoT Things under IoT Core in AWS, and then set up no-write flow to post data to IoT stuff. So here's the LoRa. Here's the function node. After function node, we connect to HTTP request node. For the HTTP request, we have to upload the certificate we download when we create the IoT stuff. And the right side is a successful connection here. And then we have to send the data to ThingsBoard. Set up Ubuntu instance and open ThingsBoard GUI, like we did in Lab 7, and then post the sensor data to ThingsBoard via LoRa. Here's the function code, and here's the write flow. It's same as this one, same as we did to IoT. But in this part, the HTTP request URL is changed to ThingsBoard. And we have to use the ThingsBoard's telemetry URL and the access token as well. And the third part is show time versus temperature chart in ThingsBoard. Here's our chart. Okay, that's it. That's our Lab 9.
你可能需要等会儿截张图。它上传的速率我是调不了的。是不是这样不能增加点温度啊？靠它看出来是折线图啊。